Those of you who owned a X600 know that it is a hexchopters which run on 6 rotor. When you first get your hand on it, you find it does not seem to have a common center of gravity. A rather unstable craft and disappointing. The first impression is very disappointing, as it drifts a lot and it does not. It's not even the stability is not close to the quadropters. Certain modification has been made, and the ring of circles is introduced with this in this craft, and the purpose of the ring of circle, if you plot it against the unit of time, this we have taken simple 5 steps. You can see the curves that it gives the propeller the potential to be strengthened, and in this graph the propeller has the potential to approach infinity. Of course, a propeller do not approach infinity, but as this another instant, you can see the ring. You introduce the ring. In this case, the ring is only taken half of the measure. If the measurement is 5 centimeters, the radius, the half should be 2.5. 1.25. The next one will be 0.625, etc. And the ring is given new light to X60. Originally, X60 was designed with sacred geometry in mind. That's the reason I purchased it, but I was so disappointed with the new craft's performance. You can see X60, if you look carefully, it is exactly a spider. The spider's legs, as far as the position they place the hexchopters, and I believe it's the reference for some sun geometry. With all focus, if you extend the geometry, it's all focused to a source of origin high up somewhere around there. So this is the X60 geometries. So what actually has been modified, that is without complexity, without pain, and with the ease in mind, that's keeping simple. So this is one propeller that has been modified. So a geometry is added. The purpose of using this geometry is introducing the center of gravity, particularly when in flight. It introduced the center of gravity vertically, which in turn stabilized the craft, and it added dimension to X60 that it nearly reborn into a more dynamic geometry as the design intended to, and so there's nothing that has been modified apart from the wing. The job done is on both ends smooth. Just use some tools to leave the mark, introduce the vertex on the wing, and the rest is The rest come naturally. So we will test flight X600 in a very tight space. The stock version was not able to do that at all. So X600 is armed. If it's allowed, we will see the actual stability of the craft. Oh, crash. I think we just capture a one in a million single engine failure. I think the structure has some problems. One in a million, we capture a X60 engine failure. One is not working. So there's nothing you can do about it. But this is the review of the X60. However, thank you.